Welcome to Black Press University. Black Press University is online sales training to get you the ins and outs of all our digital marketing solutions. Whether on the go or at home, our digital marketing solutions will get your client's business in front of the right consumers, at the right place, at the right time. Get it all right here at Black Press University. Remember to stay connected through our weekly BPU newsletters, and of course, refer to the Black Press Media Sales Center for rate cards, process, and video tutorials. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Welcome to our training highlight video. My name is Andrew Franklin. I'm the VP of Digital Operations for the Canadian Division. Today we're going to talk about audience and data and why audience is important to our clients. We're also going to explain some of the ways that we monitor traffic through social media, through Weha, and other vendors. So why is audience so important? And is it really necessary? The answer, yes it is, of course. The world has changed, and today the demand on data is even greater than ever before. Clients demand to know where their ad is going to be placed and what their target audience is going to be. After all, they have ways to find out that kind of information on their own. What kinds of data points do we monitor? So we monitor data with Google Ad Manager, which is also known as GAM, and this is located at Ads for Web. We also monitor through social media performance metrics. Weha we'll get into a bit later with today's Drive and today's Home, and of course Google Analytics. Google Analytics is used worldwide, and you as a sales rep need to really understand it. It has information on users, page views, sessions, geolocation, and much more. Getting familiar with these numbers is really important to every sales rep. We're going to take a look at a standard Google Analytics chart. Right now you can see BC Community Newspapers roll up. You can see the users showing a 36% gain year on year. You can also see the progress that we're making with page views, and you can see the comparisons year on year. Also, you can see sessions, average session duration, and a lot more information on this particular format. So getting to know these numbers, really important. We're now going to take a live look at, when we click into Google Analytics, you can go a little deeper with information that you need. Mostly, this is for a manager. However, it's useful to understand how it works. And as we pointed out, all the data points that you could possibly need are located through Google Analytics. When we look at the menu on the left, we're going to take a look at mobile. And with mobile, you can see an overview. And when you look at the overview, it tells you the devices. And clearly you can see that the mobile device is the dominant form of access to our websites, followed by desktop, followed by tablet. And overall, the growth is higher in mobile, which is no surprise. Okay, so now as a reminder, everybody has access to the official Google Audience Stats page. Please reach out if you do not have this URL, because it provides a significant amount of information at your fingertips. So let's go live to this form. So it's Black Press Media Audience Stats Official. As an example, you can look at Mission. You'll see 247,000 page views for January. You can also see the 90-day average and see how the metrics are performing with source from direct traffic to social traffic to Google search traffic. It's all there for you to view. So now let's take a look at Lotame. Lotame is a vendor we work with, and a DMP is referred to as a data management platform. Think of it as a house that collects all the data for both first party data, second and third party. For us, it's really important as first party is the most important data that anybody can collect. When visitors come to our websites, we have the ability to track their behavior on our websites, and we then are able to track the IPs and drop them into certain behavioral buckets. With third-party data, we're in a position where we are able to purchase data for extended information on those particular IP addresses. So it enables us to have a clearer understanding of the data string attached to each IP address. And as you know, many of you already use this service with the business continuity plan. Social media is another platform with incredible data that we study. You can see things like reach, results, cost per result, and the result rate. You can also, on other pages, see demographics, whether male, female, and the results that those individuals generate. It's really important that these kinds of data points are studied on a regular basis to ensure we stay on track with the campaign. Finally, we're going to take a look at today's drive and today's home. We partner with a company called Weha. They specialize in the latest technology to scrape clients' websites. And for example, they're able to scrape an auto dealer's website and a realtor's website and generate a lot of traffic information for us via their incredible dashboards. Whether it's agent views, house impressions, VDP leads, or cars sold, the Weha dashboards have it all. Thank you for taking the time out today to listen to this video tutorial. More information can be found, of course, at the Sales Center. Don't forget to watch out for your weekly BPU newsletters.